Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I packed for a 1-week trip to Europe in a personal item and how I got all my winter clothes to fit into this tiny bag. So keep watching. For this trip, like I said, I'm going to be visiting Europe for a week and I'm going to pack all of my stuff into a personal item. I got this bag on Amazon and I will link it below because it fits the standards for in-flight personal items and it's really great quality and pretty spacious. On this trip, I will be taking 3 sweaters, 2 scarves, 1 winter hat, 1 warm headband, a pair of mittens, 2 pairs of socks, jeans, 2 pairs of shoes, leggings, pajamas, and a hair curler. I'm also bringing toiletries and undergarments, obviously, but I'm not listing what those are. What I like to do when I pack is roll everything to make more room in the bag. I start by packing the biggest things first, then I go to smaller. I've heard packing cubes are also helpful, but I don't have those. Also, wearing multiple layers on the flight is helpful to clear up space in your bag. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!